Welcome to Kiteworks. In this video, you'll learn how to securely share, request, withdraw, and track shared data. Shared data and collaboration access. You have multiple options for securely sharing files with colleagues or third parties. One key advantage of using Kiteworks is that there is no file size limit when sharing data, allowing you to transfer even the largest files without restrictions. Start by clicking the Compose icon. Enter recipient details. Attach files or folders from your computer or from your Kiteworks folders. If your Kiteworks platform is integrated with external repositories, such as SharePoint, Google Drive, OneDrive, or Windows File Share, you can access and share data from these sources directly within Kiteworks. If you have the necessary permissions under message security settings, you can control who can access the file, enforce additional authentication, secure message body, set expiration dates for accessed shared data. Apply DRM protection, display the SHA-3256 digital fingerprint next to each file attachment so recipients can use a third-party tool to verify that each file has not been altered. Another option is to send files directly from your file browser. Just navigate to the file you want to share and hit the Send icon. Want to collaborate? Simply click on the Share File icon and invite users as collaborators or viewers depending on the permission level you want to grant them. Hover over the eye icon for details of the granted permission. Withdrawing access. Sent the wrong file? No problem. Go to Sent and Tracked. Click Withdraw and access will be immediately revoked. Tracking activity. In the Tracked Activity section, you can see who accessed your files, view when and what actions were taken, send tracking reports or export them to CSV, grant tracking access to colleagues. Requesting data securely. Need to collect files securely? Use the Request feature. You can request files in two ways. Under Compose, request files to inbox. Within any folder, request files to folder. A secure upload link will be generated and shared with your recipients. If you have been granted collaboration permissions, you can invite others to join a folder. When inviting members, you can assign them one of the following roles: manager, collaborator, downloader, viewer, or uploader. Each role comes with specific permissions. To see what each role allows, simply hover over the eye icon. Need more information? Just head to the Help section, where you'll find online assistance and a variety of user guides to help you get started. With Kiteworks, sharing and managing sensitive data is easy, secure, and trackable. Let's get started!